Attorney, Ting has been with the Supreme Court for more than 11 years, beginning her career in the SC Public Information Office PO in 2012 after graduating from the Ateneo de Manila University School of Law. She finished with second honors. Looking more into Attorney Ting's academic background, she finished her undergraduate studies at the De La Salle University, Manila, and obtained double degrees: Bachelor of Arts degree, major in philosophy, and Bachelor of Science in Commerce degree, major in legal management. The new SC spokesperson is a Master of Laws candidate at the London School of Economics and Political Science in London, United Kingdom. She also completed the academic requirements for a PhD in philosophy at De La Salle University, Manila. Attorney, Ting is the former judicial staff head of Associate Justice Midas Marquez, himself a former spokesperson of the court, prior to being a spokesperson. The SCPO credits her with having served in the Secretariat for various committees, notably the Committee on the Revision of the Rules of Court. Finally, she's also a member of the Committee on Facilitated Naturalization of Refugees and Stateless Individuals and the Special Committee on Cybercrime and Electronic Evidence. In the court, Attorney, Ting served in the Secretariat for various committees, such as the Committee on the Revision of the Rules of Court, the subcommittees for the revision of the 1997 Rules of Civil Procedure. Revision of the Rules of Procedure for Intellectual Property Rights cases, and revision of the Rules for Criminal Procedure, Special Committee on Virtual Hearings and Electronic Testimony, and the Ad Hoc Committee for the formulation of the Special Rules of Procedure on Anti-Terrorism cases, to name a few. She is also a member of the Committee on Facilitated Naturalization of Refugees and Stateless Individuals and the Special Committee on Cybercrime and Electronic Evidence. She has also represented the court in international conferences such as the Council of Europe's first meeting of the National Judicial Trainers on Cybercrime and Electronic Evidence in Strasbourg, France, and the 2018 Australia-Philippines Counter-Terrorism Study visit in Melbourne and Sydney, Australia. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 vlogs.